Balagtas on the run. Ramos together with Carl. Dere, uli ka na number 25. Ramos on the fake. Being bumped by number 7. Knockout play for number 25. Easy basket. Number 25, basket is good. Kawe trying to create some separation. Ganda na depensa ng Balagtas. To beat the buzzer. 14 Balagtas dito sa ating second quarter. 25 seizing the moment. Basket is good. For Kennedy Liagas, Golden State. Number 8, Jed Jose to run in 25. Basket is good. Sales. To number 25, splits the D. Basket is good. Seniedo, derecho. Layup is good. Okay, 1-point lead for Team Balagtas. Number 25, Seniedo, cutting through the defense like a hot knife. De La Cruz penetrating the defense of Balagtas, locating John Red Seniedo in the paint. Power. Early double-digit lead. Jasper Ramos swipe by John Red Seniedo. Good. Mendoza swipe by Salinel. John Red Seniedo on the run. Basket count and one.